Hello everyone! Can you see what I've got here? I'll just turn it around. I'll show you. I now own this vintage typewriter that arrived today, this late afternoon. And this was a gift from my husband. So he realized, or he heard me talk about wanting a typewriter for my scrapbooking one day, and he's been searching online for a typewriter for me. And I did mention to him a while ago that there was a pink typewriter available, which is ridiculously priced, and that even though I did want it, I don't want to buy that one because that one was several hundreds of dollars. So he went online and searched and found an auction, and he bought this vintage typewriter for me. So I am super excited that I get to use this to do scrapbooking, to document little stories, type it on there on any size piece of paper. I can put it, I can even put a vellum in there, Beth tells me, from Bethy's Boutique Studio. And so I'm going to try the vellum paper. And also, I'm very excited to also try typing it on some ephemera piece that I want to try it on and things like that. We did have to buy a new ribbon for the typewriter, and I had to watch a YouTube channel to find out how to do it because this is just so new to me. I think my dad had a typewriter maybe 20 years ago, something like that. And yeah, he probably got rid of his one as well. And now I can't believe that I want to really use it again. And this is a vintage one. It looks really, really good. We've tested it out. My son and we tested it out. And at first, when we pressed the keyboard, do you call this keyboard? Anyway, so when we did it, it was faint, and we thought, oh, what's wrong with this thing? And then we realized we actually had to push it hard for it to be more visible. So I'm gonna have so much fun using this. Another mail I received today in the mailbox was a very lovely pink bubble mailer from Alisha. This is Alisha from Love Letter Generation. And she sent me a really pretty mail. And this was a really lovely surprise. I recently sent her a little mail to her in Victoria, Australia. And that included take one, make one of the Dear Lizzie embellishment pack. I do have a video of that. I will link it in the description area if you haven't watched it. And I also realized that it was Alisha's birthday at the beginning of July. So I made her a couple of things and sent it to her. And when she received it, she did a video and she really loved what I sent her. And now I have this really adorable mail from her, and I want to share it with you guys. So first of all, there was this really lovely letter. And there was this girl image here, and I really adore her. And then she has sent me this butterfly embellishment, and I'm going to take it out and show you guys. I love how it's glittery and sparkly, and I really like how she layered the different papers. So she's used some vellum pieces, gold cardstock, also a really pretty pink glittery paper. I have not seen anything like this pink glittery paper. And then she's also used, I think, part of the Sweet Stories paper from Maggie Holmes and made these beautiful butterfly embellishments for me to use. And I really, really love these. And then there was this purse that she has stitched, and I believe this collection could be part of a Damask Love, I think. I think it's one of the newer collections, and I think she recently received a mail with the Damask Love goodies in there. And she's used some of those and made me this paper purse. So I love how she's added this pink t-shirt. I would so wear this t-shirt right here if I had one of those. And I love how this yay has a glittery accent. I really, really like that. So she stitched along here and there and stuff like that. And it's velcroed, and if you open it up, there is this rainbow array of colors. I really, really love bright colors these days. And inside is like this. So the other side of paper of this is also very, very nice. And then in there she has included a little sequin pocket that's all sewn up. And then she's added this girl from the She's Magic collection, and she stitched the word hey down here, and I think that's a really great idea to stitch puffy stickers like that. Then she has sent some die cuts that I can use for embellishing in the future, and these are little hashtags. I don't have a hashtag die, so this will become very, very handy. So thank you so much for that. And also she sent me these Daiso key rings, and I have watched her haul these a while ago, and I really, really love them. And I wondered why my Daiso nearby didn't have any. And now I have them with me. I'm gonna quickly take it out of the bag to show because it's really, really glary. This one is like, it says hug me. It's nice and light, but I love how it's got the glittery sparkles in there. It's really, really nice color. And I love this purple metallic keychain. And then this one is like, you know those Valentine candies? But they're like all joined together. And this one has oops, love you, and yes and no. And I really, really love them. I really, really love these. I am going to use these for my keyring because my keyring is so boring. It doesn't have any decorative bits like this at all. So I'm going to add this to my keyring. So these two are the things that I received in the mail today, and I'm super happy that I have something new to play with. And thank you so much, Alisha, for this wonderful, lovely surprise in the mail today. She is Love Letter Generation, Alisha with the A. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, everyone.